Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm very excited because I did receive a package from Moira Cosmetics and I'm very excited. They so kindly sent this to me and I'm kind of shook about it because I did not expect this at all. When I received the message, I kind of thought it was like fake. I thought it was like some scammer impersonating the brand, and I was like, not gonna lie, I was a little bit like under the influence, okay, because I was at a bar crawl responsibly, but I received that on my way home, so I wasn't really like in the right mind. But when I woke up the next morning, I was like, okay, so it's them, and I like made sure. I was like, it's them, like constantly I was making sure, but it was them, and I eventually did receive this and I'm like so freaking shook about it. Thank you so much to Moira Cosmetics for sending this over. I can't wait to get into this today. We're gonna do an unboxing of all of the products in here and I'm going to try a few of them out, so if you want to see all of that then just keep on watching. So it came with some like some of this, but I can't, it's gonna get everywhere, so I had to throw that away, but it was very nicely packaged and this is what I'm looking at. So they gave me a little card. Moira, aren't we all just a little makeup crazy? Always. Hello Alexandra, we are thrilled to share some of our favorite products with you and we hope you love them as much as we do. Moira Cosmetics. I love that so much. Thank you so much. I'm crying. Thank you. So let's get into it. So the first two products in here are the Moira At a Glance Stick Shadows, and I did get the shade Olive Green and Charcoal Gray, and I will swatch these up on the screen for you, but I'm excited. Ooh, it's like this really pretty gray color. Very subtle. I feel like this is very good for like smudging, or at least that's what I would use it for. A good smudgy pencil for like the waterline. That would be beautiful with these. And I'm excited to see this olive green color. They're supposed to be kind of metallic. The green one is very pretty. I'm very excited. I love that. So the next thing I am pulling out of here is the Berry Flirty Blushing Goddess Duo. And this is what that looks like, honestly. So cute. I'm so happy to have like a little purple blush moment here, and this pink is literally everywhere right now, so like what a cute little duo and a nice little compact. That is really cute. I'm really excited to see how this swatches, how it looks. The next two items that I'm pulling out of here are the Moira Diamond Daze Liquid Shadow, and I have the shade Speechless and Howdy. These I need to open with like a tool or a pair of scissors. Okay, I'm super excited for these. These are like a viral product. They went viral on TikTok and I've been wanting to try them. They look so incredible. Like in the tube they just look crazy, and like, oh my god, so glittery and so pretty and so sparkly. Oh my god, I can't wait to play with these. Oh my god, that's quite literally beautiful. Super sparkly. The next two items are the Love Steady liquid blushes. I believe these are new, so I'm really excited to have two shades in here. I have the shade So Cute and I have the shade Trust, which is really nice. These remind me a lot of like the Rare Beauty blushes and the Mama Mitchell blushes. That's what these remind me of. Really nice packaging on everything, I will say, but I really like these. These are so cute. And everything looks like it goes very well together, and the aesthetic of the brand is really nice. And then we have the Signature Lipsticks Balm Texture Lip Shine, and I have the shade Peach Nude and Nude Chic. Oh, these are beautiful packaging as well. That's lovely. Beautiful packaging on these. And then last but not least, I do have an eyeshadow palette in here. I have the I'm Falling For You little letter series palette. Oh my god, and the packaging, it looks like an envelope. Look at the packaging. It looks like a little envelope, and then you open it up and you have like, that's like genius. Comes with a little letter. Oh my god, I'm saving this. Totally saving this. My boyfriend is getting this card for a special occasion, because actually one of our songs, one of like the songs that we would play like when we first met was actually Falling For You, so like it's kind of like, I'm gonna cry. We're not gonna cry, we're not, but like I am, but like I'm not. But like internally I am. Here is the eyeshadow palette. This is beautiful packaging. I will say it is on the thicker side, but I feel like it's more like a presentation type of deal. And it's like magnetic and like it opens like this. And I feel like this wouldn't break in transit because like there's so much, you know, like it's so like, I feel like it's safe, you know, it'll be safe. Here is the palette. I love it. I can't wait to use it. There's a lot of very beautiful shades in here. The shimmers look beautiful. To My Love from Moira. This is so cute. I've A+ on the packaging. This is incredible. I'm like, look, I don't want to get rid of this. To My Love. Every day I get lost in that special kind of love with you. Stop making me cry, Moira. Stop making me cry. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids and then we can get started on the eyeshadow palette. Alrighty, I'm primed and ready. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade called Me and You right here. This is going all over my crease. I'm really enjoying how this shade is laying down. It looks really, really nice. I'm going to take this shade now. It's called My Everything. And I'm going to use this to kind of deepen up that outer portion just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to jump back into this palette later on, but right now I want to dip into one of these. I think I'm going to use the shade Speechless because I feel like it matches this look. I can't. This is so freaking pretty. I'm taking the brush and kind of just fixing these edges a little. I'm gonna let it dry. I don't have the best of luck with liquid eyeshadow, so I'm hoping that this works out for me. It looks beautiful right now, like obsessed with how this looks right now. Other eye. It's just like instant. Like it's so pretty and it's so like sparkly. It's just like the prettiest thing. Definitely looks really good with the rest of this look. I'm just gonna rub the end of there, like blend in here. Insane. Is that not the prettiest freaking eyeshadow ever? Like, what in the world? They popped off. Like, what? Why haven't I tried this? I can't believe this. I can't believe it. Like, it looks so freaking good. So good. I'm gonna come back to this, but for right now, I'm gonna work on the rest of my complexion, and then I'll be right back to try the rest of the products. I think this one would be perfect because it'd be like a whole monochromatic moment. This one's in the shade Trust, and if I'm not mistaken, only need a dot. So we're gonna do a little dot and a little dot. One side has more than the other. We're also gonna do a little boop on the nose. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna, ooh, super pigmented. I think I still put too much somehow. Super pigmented. You literally need less than a dot. Less than a dot. This is gonna last forever. But like, look how pretty. Look how pretty that looks. That's beautiful. I'm going to now set everything, make sure everything's set in place, and then we can continue trying the products. Alright you guys, I have set my face. I've applied some powdered bronzer, and now I'm going to try this Moira Berry Flirty blush. I don't know what color would match, probably the pink very lightly. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and kind of just dip into both, and we're kind of just going to top off my cheeks with this. I mean, I do see a difference. This is on top with nothing on top. I see the difference. It's cute. It's a very pretty color. I think the formula has kind of like a nice sheen to it as well. It's very nice. I love blush, so, and this color is like everything right now, so like it's super pigmented too. I didn't expect, don't know why I didn't expect the pigment to be so like intense. I mean, I didn't expect that powder to give me kind of like a sheen, but it did. It gave me kind of like a glowy sheen, which is very pretty. The last two products we have to try are the eye pencil and the lippies. I wanted to try the eye pencils, but I don't know if it goes very well with this look, so I'm just gonna add a little bit on the lower lash line, just so like there's something there, but like not too much because I don't want to go too crazy with it. I'm just gonna add it about halfway, and I'm just gonna blend it out with that same brush from earlier with that same color on it, just so like it doesn't look too crazy, but like you can see the difference. That's what I wanted. I like it. I mean, I don't really tend to use shadow sticks too often, but I think this is really cool anyway. Like, I don't know, I feel like these are very versatile. You can use them for a lot of different things. And I think gray is such an underrated color because you can use it to deepen up your look. And it's very discreet, like you can't really tell. Like it's not as deep as black, but it still gives you some depth. Sometimes I feel like the lower lash line can look a little heavy on me. So I've been trying to not do so much. We're gonna finish the lips. Let's see. I have the shade Nude Chic and Peach Nude. Nude. I think Peach Nude. Very sheer. I love this kind of product. So I don't even have to put it on my lips to know I already like it. I'm lining my lips with the Essence 8-Hour Matte Comfort Lip Liner. This one's in the shade Cinnamon Spice. This has just been my new favorite, like nude brown. It's literally perfect. Okay, so I'm going to pop on some lashes, finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back so we can share my final thoughts. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. I gotta say, I'm super impressed with all of these products. I didn't expect them to perform nearly as well as they all did, and I'm so freaking excited about it. So let's start off with the eyeshadow palette. I didn't play with the shimmers, but I should have. And actually, let's apply the shade For You as an inner corner and brow bone highlight, just so I can see what I'm working with. You can see that. Wow, that's really pretty. Actually, they feel buttery smooth, which is really nice. And yeah, I mean, I can't wait to try this palette out again. The mattes performed very wonderfully. They're like buildable mattes, so you're gonna get like kind of a minimal pigmentation at first, but the more you build it, the more you'll see that pigmentation, and that actually makes these eyeshadows super easy to work with, and I quite appreciate that. I feel like you can do very quick and easy eye look very quickly with these. I used the neutral side of the palette, and I gotta say I'm impressed. I did use the shade Lucky as like an eyeliner for my lashes to look more blended, and it also performed well. I gotta say I'm impressed. I can't wait to play with these shimmers that look and feel buttery smooth. They look so nice. Oh my god, so nice. And like, I know this brand is very affordable, so like that's really good that you get like super nice quality products at a pretty decent price. The shadow stick I used as like an eyeliner today, just so I can have some more depth on the lower lash line, but I still really enjoyed it. I think it's not too dark, but it did give me that depth I was looking for, and I really liked it. This one's in the shade Charcoal Gray, and I gotta say, I definitely will see myself using this again. And if I enjoyed the charcoal color, that green must be very nice. And once they set down, like, they don't move. So, I mean, it's good. They're not moving from there. The blushes, these are so pigmented. You only need like the tiniest little dot. I would start small and then build if I need to, but you most likely won't have to because these are so pigmented, but the colors are so pretty. I need to see what other colors they have. Oh my god, because like I want to try more of their products. They're so good. I did use this shade called Trust on my cheeks today, but I did put the powder on top just to see like what I was working with, and I gotta say I'm impressed. I think the color worked well with everything else that I have going on. I'm excited to try So Cute with the little duo. I feel like it would be perfect. Speaking of the little duo, this is an A+, okay? I don't know how much this is, but I've seen like the other colors on their lineup and they are beautiful. So if you're looking for like a really nice blush duo, maybe you want 2 different blushes, or you just like the vibe that this gives. I like that you can mix 2 of the colors. You can use them separately. I really enjoy that, and I really enjoy the color selection that they have as well. But I don't know how much this retails for, but I'm sure it's not much. What I would consider the star of today's show are the Diamond Daze liquid shadows. These are incredible. The sparkle that these have is unmatched, and it's just so captivating. It reminds me a lot of the About Face fractal glitter eye paints, but like cheaper, and like they have more colors in these, I think, than in the About Face ones, and the About Face ones are $16. I believe these are half of that price, so you're not breaking the bank. I love this color. It reminds me a lot of Digital Demise from About Face. So if you're into those like liquid shadows, like I would check these out. These are so pretty. I can see myself just using these all the time now. Alright, so I think these are another star of today's show. Today's show, like if it's a talk show. It's not a talk show, but I just wanted to mention that the signature lipsticks from Moira are so nice. You could have the crustiest, mustiest lips, but these puppies will look good on your lips. I also want to see what other colors they have, because if they have like a pinky one, I want that one. I used the shade Peach Nude, and very, very pretty, and I very much will use this again. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty like lipsticks that are like balmy texture, but at a fraction of the cost. Can't beat it. I can't believe we didn't have a single dud. I can't believe it. I loved everything. Thank you to Moira Cosmetics again for sending these products over. I feel very, very pretty. Like, I just feel good, and like I haven't put on makeup in a while, and like just like it just feels good. It just feels really good. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and for clicking on it today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Some other brand like in person. Thank you so much to Moira Cosmetics to sending. Okay. Thank you so much to Moira Cosmetics to super cute. Thank you so much. The Moira Daze. Oh my god, I have trash everywhere. Trash. Woo, trash. Okay. I just wanted to commit murder on my eyeball. Just like a tiny little dot on the nose, like the tiniest little dot. I'm going to put on some mascara. Hold on. We're gonna finish the lips. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, and this is the final. Oh. Alright, you guys. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you, if you enjoyed this video,